Hello, YouTube world. I came across this interesting process that I thought was worth sharing. So ultimately, the problem that I'm trying to solve is when you have a collection and a record gets added to that collection, but then it gets added again a second time. So how do you filter out that record to only have it show up in there once? Because otherwise, you're going to get errors saying that you have the same ID in your collection multiple times. So in this situation, I have an object called lease offering. And basically, when we are in this top portion here, a record can get added to our update collection. But then as we go further down our flow, they can be added again. Basically, it's different criteria, but the same type of situation. So the way that I was able to solve this, that I think is kind of unique and interesting, is basically running a filter to clear out everything that is not the ID that we have a duplicate of, emptying out the collection, adding the filtered records back in, and then assigning our current record from our loop here. So basically, this is doing a loop. There is a field on our lease offering object. We're making sure that we're clearing off that field every single time and then adding it to a collection to be updated. So in this case, we have our remove filter. So the ID does not equal our current item that's in the loop. We empty out our current collection, so lease offerings to update, remove all. And then we add back in our filtered ones that do not have our duplicated ID. So lease offerings to update equals the ones that we filtered out before. And then our last assignment here is to add the current item from our loop, our lease offerings to update collection. That way our duplicate records are pulled out and we just have one ID for each one. Whatever updates are happening in the flow are still there, just the ID is only in that collection one time. So I've come across this a few times. This is the first time I've actually been able to solve it. I hope this was helpful. Like, subscribe. Thanks for taking the time to check it out.